Early one morning, while out on his alms round, the Blessed One, or the Buddha, approached an area being plowed in springtime when a wealthy Brahmin was distributing food to his workers. When the Brahmin saw the Buddha with an alms bowl, he said, "Oh, monk, I plow and sow, and having plowed and sown, I eat. Do you likewise plow and sow, and having done so, you eat?" So he's sort of confronting the Buddha, saying, listen, I'm a guy, I'm a landowner, I have people work for me, and I work, and then I get food. How about you, dude? You with your alms bowl. And the Buddha looked back and said, I also plow and sow, and having done so, I eat. And the Brahmin said, you claim this, but I see no plow. What is it you do? And the Buddha replied, faith is the seed, and composure the rain. Clarity is my plow and yoke. Compassion is my guide pole, and mind is the harness. Mindfulness is the plow blade and my goad. Caring in action and speech, I use truth to weed and cultivate release. Wise effort is my oxen, drawing the plow steadily toward freedom without regret. This is how I plow, and it bears the fruit of freedom, of the deathless itself. At this point, the Brahmin, the wealthy landowner, says, I see that you are a plowman. Let me place into your bowl some food. And he tried to put food into the Buddha's bowl. And when he poured the rice gruel into the bowl, it hissed and a huge cloud of steam came up. Or so the story tells. And of course, I love these old kind of mythological weavings in the story, because the metaphor for this is that if you've ever touched a plow blade after it digs a furrow across a field, it gets really, really hot, can almost get red hot plowing across that. And so the Buddha's alms bowl becomes the plow blade, and putting anything wet in it, and it hisses because he's been plowing. I love this text, this encounter that's described, because the Buddha talks about planting seeds with faith and trust and mindfulness. And as we practice, as we establish over the months and years of our own meditation, our mindful, loving awareness, as we establish loving kindness and forgiveness and compassion as our practices, they too become part of what bears the fruit of inner freedom, inner well-being.